Hello everyone, welcome to A to Z Tricks. Today I'm gonna show you how to run Android applications in Google Chrome. So guys, let's get started. As Google Chrome is a browser, we can run the Android apps in Windows, Linux and in Macintosh also. Next you need to install an app called Archon Packager in your Android phone. You can install the app from Google Play Store. After installing the app in your Android phone, open it. This app will convert an Android app to Google Chrome extension. Select the app you want to run in your PC. You can select either from your already installed apps or you can select from your phone storage also. After that, you need to select the mode of the app and orientation, that is portrait or landscape. You can select any one of the options as per as your convenience. And then click next. That's it. Your Android app is ready as Chrome extension. Transfer the Chrome application to your PC or laptop by any means and place the file in your desktop. Of course, you can place anywhere else also. For this purpose, we will need a package called Archon. Use the link given below in the description to download it to your PC. Now extract the zip file and open your Chrome browser. Go to extensions and then enable the developer mode. Then click load unpacked extension and load the Archon's extracted file as I have done. Then again click on load unpacked extensions and load the app you want to run. Now open a new tab and at the top left corner click on apps. You will be able to see the apps you have just loaded. Following the exact procedure, you can run any other app in your computer. Thank you very much for watching the video. If it was helpful to you, please hit like, support us by subscribing our channel, and if you have any suggestion, please don't hesitate to comment. Your effort will be highly appreciated. See you in the next video.